Hello! Welcome to Technic Force Learning. This video is about setting up a perfect Quora profile. How to create the best Quora profile. Let's get started. Building your Quora marketing strategy starts with your profile. Add as much information as you can. Make sure your photo is actually you. Describe who you are and why potential readers should trust your answers. Avoid looking too promotional and salesy. Readers trust real people over brand accounts. So here's how to create a Quora profile in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to Quora and sign up. Go to Quora.com. You have options in signing up. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or sign up with email. And if you already have an account, you can just log in by entering your email and your password. Now let's create a new account. And I'm going to use sign up with email. Click on it. Now enter in your name and email. Then click on next. Now confirm your email. Enter in the code that you have received via email. Copy this code and paste it here. If you didn't receive an email or something went wrong, just click here to resend code. Now tap on Next. Then enter in your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and have upper and lowercase letters and digit. After that, check on this box to confirm that you're not a robot. Then tap on Finish. Step 2. Choose at least 10 topics you are interested in. When you're done selecting all the things that you are interested in, tap on Done. Step 3. Click the Home button and on the right, there's a Setup Account checklist, like follow more spaces and topics, add credentials, upvote answers, ask questions, and of course, start answering them. On your Quora homepage, if you haven't completely set up your account, you will see a helpful checklist on the right side. Follow these steps to completely set up your account. Here you will see I have done 2 of the things here on the checklist. I have visited my feed and answered a question. So for now, I will need to do 4 more steps, like follow 1 more space. After that, it's checked on the box. Next, upvote 5 more good pieces of content. Next, ask a question. And I will show you how to ask questions in detail on the coming videos. Now that that's done, last one we have on setting up our account is adding credentials. Go to your profile, click on the profile icon. Here's my profile. As you can see, it's still empty. So let's add on my informations. First, let's add in a profile picture. Click on it, select your file, and then it will be uploaded. Credential includes the name. Add your official name or your business name. It's up to you how you want to set your profile. If you want to set it as a blogging with a particular blog name, you can add it there. For example, I set my profile with my official name. I don't use a blog name for the profile. I will suggest you set a profile with your name because you will have another option for a blog. Next, add your profile credential. And this will be your headline. Your headline is like a Twitter or LinkedIn short bio. You can add in your expertise or your current work title. Next, write a description about yourself. You can write anything you want others to know about you. You can also specify what you do, or your goals why you use Quora, or just a simple description about you will do. I know this is a simple idea, but you can edit the text on your profile description. You have a mini editing tool right here. You can also add a photo, a link to your website, and others. And you can update your description from time to time. Let's move on to our credentials and highlights. First, add in your employment credential. For work details, you can add your work experience. It is again up to you how you want to set it. If you are multi-professional, you can add all your profession, or you can add one which is the most relevant to your niche. Click on it and add in your current position, your company or organization, the year you started, and the year you ended. But if you still currently work there, just click on this box. Then, click on Save. And for education, add your education or diplomas. In the education section, you can add your skill as well, because it will help people to find you based on your expertise. Give some information of your educational background, like your school, your primary and secondary, and your degree type. This will add credibility to your content. Then add in the year you graduated. Then save it. And for location, you can add your home location, workplace location, or simply add your country only. You can add your current location, like the city, state, or country. But if you don't want to put in too much information, you could just simply add in the country. Then enter in the year you started living there. Then save it. And you're almost done. You can also add a few more topics. Just click here. Lastly, I just want to remind you that adding credentials is optional. You can add your credentials or you can skip it. But I suggest you add your credentials because it will make your profile attractive to people and it will help you to grow your audience. And there you have it, setting up your profile and adding credentials. So, have you signed up on Quora? What are your thoughts about it? Share it on the comments down below. And before this video ends, let me show you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder, where you can create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. And that is CloudFunnels by Technic4. Create an amazing funnels and landing pages. Build your dream site with CloudFunnels. You can create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. And it supports all major payment gateways. And it has memberships. So try CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.